This low-profile aluminum and steel service floor jack from Ironton helps you handle a variety of lifting chores. Easily lift vehicles or heavy equipment from 3 3/8 inches to 14 3/4 inches, thanks to the low-profile design and quick-lifting hydraulic system. You'll get dependable performance every time, since it's tested for reliability and safety to meet the strict and crucial ASME PALD 2009 standard. Reduce wear and tear and extend service load with the high-quality, large-diameter hydraulic steel cylinder unit that results in low oil pressure needed to move the load. Plus, it resists wear with the treated and polished piston ram. Get long life from the tubular frame constructed of high-grade steel and a lead-free paint finish to prevent rust. Easily handle all your lifting chores with this low-profile aluminum and steel service floor jack from Ironton.